I am a strawberry stored while wet. Trapped moisture encourages mold growth. I am lettuce stored wet after washing.
Storing lettuce wet after washing encourages bacterial growth and rapid decay. I am an orange left in direct sunlight. Heat causes moisture loss and vitamin degradation. I am an apple stored too close to sensitive produce. I release ethylene gas. This gas accelerates the ripening of nearby fruits.
Talking fruits and vegetables are going viral right now on TikTok and YouTube, and today I'm showing you exactly how to make them. In this video, I'll break down the exact prompts, visuals, and voice setup you need to create high engagement talking fruit videos that people actually watch till the end. Without wasting much time, let's dive straight into the video.
Now, the first thing you will do is to come over to ChatGPT. So once you get to ChatGPT, you're going to drop a prompt for ChatGPT. So I'm going to be pasting my prompts. I've already written out my prompt. So I'm going to be dropping this prompt in the description. So you can decide to edit the prompt to whatever fruit that you want. So I will just drop the prompt for ChatGPT. Now I just added, I want each of the fruits to have eyes and mouth to the prompt. So I'm just going to send this and let's see what ChatGPT is going to give to us. Now I'm just going to wait for it to load. Now once it is done loading, I'm just going to copy out this prompt. So I'm just going to copy them one after the other because I don't want the video prompt to add to it, because if you notice that it gave me the image prompt, then also the video prompt that I'm going to use for the video. That's because of the prompt that I gave, the initial prompt that I gave to ChatGPT. So now I'm just going to copy it. I'm just going to copy them one after the other. Then I'm going to take it to the tool I'm going to use to convert it to images. Now we are going to try different tool so to know the one that is going to give us the best picture. So we are going to try about 3. Now you just pick the one that you prefer. So the one that will give you the best image is the one that you are going to choose. So I'm just going to teach you how to use the 3 different tools. Now the first one we are going to be using is Gemini. So note that all these ones, they are only going to be able to create one pictures for you or photos. So there is one app that we are going to be using. It's going to be able to create all the images for us at once. So we are just going to paste our first prompt here. Now this is the first prompt, so we're just going to send it. So let's see what it's going to generate for us. So now this is what it generated for us. This is Gemini. So now we are going to save it. Now we'll go over to the next app. So the next app we are going to be using is Grok. So we'll just come to this down part, then we are going to paste it. Now we're just going to let it load. Now let's see what Grok is going to generate for us. Now see what Grok generated for us. So we're also going to download this. Note that if you want to use it for YouTube long form video, so once you just drop your prompt, you are going to write it at the down that it should be on 16:9 ratio. So I'm just going to click on it and download it. Now we are going to go to the app that can just generate all the pictures at once. Then we are going to choose the one that we prefer. Now we are going to go over to this browser called Quetta browser. So once you install Quetta browser, you just come to this button here, these 3 dots here. Click on the 3 dots, then you go over to this place, click on the extension. So you will install this auto whisk. If you don't have it, you install this auto whisk. Now once you get to auto whisk, just come to this place and change it to English. Now you click on classic. Now you come to this place, go to whisk. So now it's going to bring you to whisk. Now you are going to come to this enter tools here. So you are going to see this interface. So once you get here, depending on what you are using it for, so I want to use it for YouTube, so it's going to be on 16:9. Now I'm going to come to this place, these three dots, click on the three dots, click on the extension here, click on auto whisk again, click on this classic again. Now you are going to paste all your prompts at once. So you're just going to paste all your prompts. It's going to generate all the images for you at once. So click on start. Now once you click on start, you're going to click on run on this project. Then you are going to wait for it. So now you can see that it's loading. So you are going to let it load till it's all done. Now once you see all done here, you're just going to click on this place. Now just ignore all the unnecessary pictures here. So these are the pictures that we want. So these are all the pictures that it generated for us. Now these pictures will automatically download to your device. So now let's go to the next step, which is creating the videos. Now to create the video, we are going to go back to ChatGPT to copy our video prompt. Remember, we have prompts that ChatGPT created for us for our video. Now we want to create the video, so we'll be needing the video prompt. So we're just going to copy all the video prompts. Now once we are done, we're going to go over to the app that we are going to use to convert them to videos. So now we are going to be using Grok. So once we come to Grok, we are going to click on create videos. Now once we click on create video, we're just going to click on this place, click on animate photo. So now you're going to choose the picture that you want to animate. So let's say we want to start with this apple. So now we're just going to drop the prompt for the apple here.
Whoa! It's freezing in here! What is this?
We are going to drop the prompt, then we are going to send it. Now we are going to allow it to load.
Stored too close to sensitive produce. I release ethylene gas that accelerates aging in vegetables around me. I am a tomato.
Now, if you don't like what the video is saying, so you can just decide to edit it, because it's only 6 seconds that Grok can animate for you. So if you notice that it's not saying the things well, so you can decide to delete some things to make it shorter. Now you're going to send it again.
I am an apple stored too close to sensitive produce. I release ethylene gas. This gas accelerates the ripening of nearby fruits. I am an apple stored too close to sensitive produce. I release ethylene gas. This gas...
Now once you are done, you're just going to click on download.
If you watched this video till this time, don't forget to like and subscribe. I will see you in my next one.